In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and sell an online course with System.io. First, log into your System.io account. Once you are inside the dashboard, move your cursor to the Products option in the top menu, and then click on Courses. This is where you can create and organize your course content. Next, click the Add a New Course button in the top right corner. This opens the course setup area, where you will enter the basic information for your new online course. Start by typing in your course name and a short description. Make this clear and easy to understand, because these details help define what your course is about. After that, choose the domain you want to use. Customize the URL path so it looks clean and professional, and select a course theme color that matches your brand or style. When those details are in place, click Save. This creates the basic structure of your course, so you can begin building out the content. Now it is time to add your first module. Click Add Module, and give it a name based on the main topic or section you want to teach first. Think of modules as the bigger sections of your course that help organize the learning experience. Inside that module, click Add Lecture. Enter the name of the lesson, choose a clean page layout template, and then click Save. This creates an individual lesson page for your students. To customize that lesson, find the lecture and click the Edit icon, which appears as a magic wand on the right side. This will open the drag-and-drop course builder. In here, you can design the lesson content in a simple visual way. Add a video element for your recorded training. Edit the text to include lesson instructions or summaries, and add download buttons if you want students to access supporting resources. Keep the layout clean so the lesson is easy to follow. Once your lesson looks the way you want, click the green Save Changes button in the top right corner. Then use the exit arrow to go back to the main course layout. Finally, click the three dots next to your lesson and choose Activate to make it live. If you are using a free account, you can build one full course and still activate unlimited modules and lessons within that course. At this point, your course structure is created, your first lesson is built, and your content is live for students to access. That covers everything you need to know.